Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Roblox and you keep getting this error, too many attempts, try again later, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Roblox easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, you're going to select your network connection. If you're on an Ethernet connection, it should say Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, it should say WLAN. So just click on it, click change settings of this connection, go on to Internet Protocol version 4, click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS server here 1.1.1.1 and in the alternate DNS you're going to write here 1.0.0.1. After that click OK again, disable your network device, wait for 20 to 30 seconds and after that enable it, wait for it to connect, and once it's done connecting, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and you're going to go into your browser settings. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on to clear browsing data, set it to all time, and then click clear now. But be warned that this will delete your browsing history, your download history, your cookies and your logins along with your passwords. So you'll need to put in your passwords whenever you want to log into any website. Then it will delete your saved passwords. And after that, now when you go on to roblox.com and you try to play or join any server, you'll see that your game will work correctly. You will not get that too many attempts error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.